and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It's totally updated, so let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it.
Hey my little kittens, do you desire the verified badge on Roblox? A lot of people have been talking about how to get the verified badge. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get verified in Roblox without being an influencer and without a computer. So this is actually a modded app on Roblox. You open it up, you log into your account, whatever account you want to be verified, go to settings, and down here at the bottom in the mod, you'll see verified badge dev mode access button. Press this, and it will say verified badge, perform trust and safety validation. So just press begin, and it's basically going to verify a Roblox account without a computer, and you do not have to be famous. So as you can see guys, it is verifying it right now. So it says passed, so I'm gonna press apply fast track, and as you can see, it wants me to have 100,000 followers and 1 million play hours. So it's just bypassing all of this, as you can see. So it says assigning developer privileges, guys. So we're going to have the verified badge without having to do anything. So let's see if it works. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So there we go, guys. It should be adding it now. And yep, verified badge active, elevation complete. Bang, look at that. I got it right there next to my name. And even got an email about it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is type matrixmods.com. This is the website where you can download that app you just saw me using, which is obviously not on the App Store. So now go up to the search bar and put Roblox, and you should see it, Roblox verification badge. Press on this and then press download. So as you can see guys, it's now downloading. Obviously I already have it installed, so it's not going to download for me, but I just wanted to show you guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. So now it's going to bring us to the next step, which is going to be this thing that says almost there, additional files are required. So basically you have to download 2 of these apps, and they're called additional files. They're all from the App Store and they're completely free. So for instance, Underdog Fantasy tells me to download the app and run it for 30 seconds. Then we have the Scanner app, which says I have to search up the app and then open it. Alright, that doesn't sound too hard. Lucky Match says I have to reach level 11. Alright, and yeah, so just do 2 of these guys, you're going to be good to go. I'll see you later, and peace out, crew.